What's up guys, hope you all are having a great day. I have in this video a very good selection of gadgets. Some are nicer, others cooler, but I'm sure whether you love them or hate them, you'll still want to have them and go crazy on them. Yeah! If you can lift up Thor's hammer, then you will have a nice and useful set of tools you can start using right away for a DIY project or any daily repair. I know, that's when the Milner Hammer comes around. Resistant to corrosion, this ideal toolbox is made for home improvement projects, assembly, woodworking, sanitary repairs, car repairs, and more. Screwdriver, knife, tape measure, pliers, an Allen key, and a voltage tester are some of the 29 tools which will assist you at home. I was thinking it would have been crazy if it didn't have a hammer at least. Get it now from Amazon before a bad sister destroys it. United M48 Tactical Warhammer. Still thinking of a hammer? Don't blame ya, just like the next one that combines a solid casting of stainless black steel. You can't wait to hold the virtually indestructible fiberglass handle before you realize this tactical hammer can destroy almost anything. By only spotting the back, you will see a devastating piercing spike, which allows me to tell you it seems it can tear up any material it comes across with. Would you look at that? So cool! An axe and hammer combination or a tactical tool you sure gonna love. Amazon waits for ya, hit the link below. The well-known M1911 Gel Blaster, a legendary gel blaster pistol of all time they say, but don't be fooled by the older Hopperfed design. Would you believe it is capable of shooting 15 top speed rounds per second from up to a 20 meters distance? Whoa, that's fast! A must-have gel blaster with a rechargeable 1400 mAh and 7.4 volts enduring battery. Did I mention the rails to add-on accessories or the torch and laser that are already included? What? So be ready to put it all down for the cheesy pizza you bet on this battle. Well, so right after clicking on the like button, the link for the M1911 Blaster is in the description below. Razor jets for shoes. Roll along the street and spark glitter all over. Strap them on cause they are so easy to put on. Strap up and get right to rolling. I mean, the amazing and cool razor is the gadget you can just wear and go. Lay down your heel and you will see a burst of sparks fly. Nice! What are you waiting for? Transform your regular sneaker into a mesmerizing rolling back home or to the mall by choosing a size, either for kids or adults. Fidget toy. You might want to keep it rolling. Cause oh my god, they are back. In case you remember these addicting toys you didn't want to let go of, the nice and cool new designs they come with might get you back into the game. Ergonomically designed and can be played with one hand, making it easy to carry anywhere you go. I mean, I would love to have one of these when I try to study something and I need to be focused. This as well can be used as a great stress relief tool. That's true. Break free from bad habits and negative emotions like depression, hyperactivity, or anxiety. Some other eye-catching models available to you in the description. Alright. I hope you guys are enjoying the video, so why not give us a thumbs up? And you can also subscribe to the channel meanwhile, you know? Yeah! Let's get back to the video. When seeking for adventure, you might want to go outdoors and feel how Mother Nature really is. Make sure you carry this hand-sized tough guy. Only one charge gives you 10 hours of playtime. That sounds good, literally. Match your personality with a retro military style, the Muse Wildspeaker has amazed many. Ready to make you a companion if you travel by yourself, but getting the party started when you're going along with your friends. Several colors to choose from. Which one you like? Made for outdoor explorers, just hook it up on your backpack and you're all set to go. An amazing discount price in Amazon, you'll want to get another one. So when your best friend says, "Hey, what is that?" pull it out and give it to them. Gravastar Sirius Pro P9. A perfect touch of futuristic spaceship vibes. The sci-fi looking Bluetooth earphones come in a case that is gonna make you fall in love with. Perfect for gaming on the go. You will love the lightweight despite the sturdy design. The Sirius Pro wireless earbuds are packed with dynamic, high-definition powerful bass and stereo HQ sound quality, which are ready to deliver just what you expect. That's cool. Love fast pairing between your devices? Who doesn't? The new Bluetooth 5.2 technology is a serious thing. The link is in the description below. Up to 40 hours of fun and clear phone calls too. Can't wait to have them. By the way, the unboxing experience is way cool. combines powerful GaN technology with an awesome transformable design. It holds multiple devices at once, so you can charge your Sirius Pro P9 at the same time. 2 USB-C fast charging ports and 1 USB-A port. Works on Android and iOS, perfect for a portable console and many more devices. The Alpha 65 is not just a very fast charger with that cool design, it's your desk's new little buddy. You can get it from Amazon too. Nice! 4-in-1 wireless charger night lamp. Did you set up the alarm for tomorrow? Choose what song you want to wake up with. This atmosphere lamp is also a speaker. Nice! It's got more than 10 different color combinations that you can control on your phone through the app. Also, your phone can be fast charged with the wireless dock that is on top, thanks to its technology that helps to prevent overvoltage and short circuits. Put it on your desk or on the night table at home. A fast pairing Bluetooth connectivity makes it also a perfect gift for anyone too. Don't forget to subscribe, also hit that like button right now if you enjoyed the video. What's your favorite gadget? Leave a comment and let us know which one you like the most. Stay tuned for another video of cool gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.